Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. This time I'm going to make my breakfast. This is za'atar, my toast bread, mozzarella cheese, Merrick, and 2 eggs. I'm going to mix with Merrick, add some olive oil, little salt, and black pepper. After mixing, I'm going to add my blade like this. I'm going to add cheese here, and this one is bank cheese. My breakfast is ready right now, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. Those ones who have not hit subscribe, please kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel, like, comment, press the notification bell, and don't miss out my next video. I love you so much, guys. Peace.